where exactly is Bitcoin headed? Stay tuned to find out. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing educational stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, this is the Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin has been a hot topic ever since BlackRock and other financial institutions and wealth management companies have created their spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, what we want to look at is the daily chart. Now, on the daily chart, we see a clear setup for what could be a symmetrical triangle, or if we pull out, it could be a bullish pennant. Okay, so it could be a bull pennant. That'll be the pole right there. Actually, pull out a little more, and this will be the pole right there, and then that's the pennant. Now, it depends on where we go when we go bullish. So we could say this right here is a trend line, and we could wait on that trend line break right there at 71,210. Okay, so we could wait for that bullish breakout at the trend line, 71,210 ish area. In my opinion, we already gapped up. We are potentially making a J hook. So the J hook would basically be bullish at around the same area, 71,210 or 20 or something like that. So that's the area we're looking for a push above. All right, so we're already bullish with the gap up. Also, on my personal indicator right here, we have an up arrow. This is not the regular indicator. I actually coded these myself so that they can tell you exactly where the market is going. It's honed in to be, highly accurate. So it's not like anything else. It might look like others, but I keep it simple: up arrow, down arrow. And as you can see, all of them are on point, all of them. All right. If you wanted that, you can actually look in the link in the bio, but we have a gap up right here, potential J hook. So above 71,200, I believe, would start it, and then above 72,100, that would possibly be the breakout of the J hook, which would combine with the possible symmetrical triangle, which will combine with the possible, bull pennant. Okay, so in my opinion, if you're looking for a bull pennant or a symmetrical triangle or a trend line breakout, don't get fooled, because we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up April 19th, 2024. I think we will pull back, but that's why I have my target set at 77,200. Okay, ultimately, I think we get to 77,208. And that is where we pull back to. Okay, so I think we're headed to 77,208. Before we get there, we're going to hit 72,961. Okay, so my next target is 72,961 for Bitcoin, and then 77,208. All right, so above 72,961, we get to 77,208. Around this area is when I would be looking for the pullback. Where could we pull it back to? Well, let's find out. I think with the Bitcoin halving, we will have a pullback. And on that pullback, once we bottom out and hit support, that is when you want to grab all of your Bitcoin, you want to grab all your Bitcoin, you want to grab all your altcoins, whatever you want to grab, because I don't think these levels will be revisited. I could be wrong, but I don't think they will. Not when big money and investment bankers and wealth management companies are finally in Bitcoin and about to launch an Ethereum spot ETF as well. So you want to get in on this next drop. I could tell you exactly where it's going to drop to. So let's look at the weekly. Nobody else has this. Everybody else is looking at certain things. I try to keep it simple, okay? So I think we could drop as low as 31,731 to be exact. I think that's the lowest we can drop, okay? Ideally, I would love for us to drop to 31,731. But I know we could possibly only drop to around 46,811. Okay. So that would be the target. 46,811 is the target for the bottom. All right. So when we pull back, possibly during this possibly during this Bitcoin halving around April 19th, when we pull back for the next couple of weeks, after that, I think it's possibly going to be dropping to 46,811. My ideal target I would love for it to drop to 31,731. Probably not going to happen though. So those two are the targets that I'm looking at for the drop. Once it drops here and holds support, that is where you want to, load the boat, so to speak. If it drops below 46,811, you already know it's going to drop here. Like I just told you, 31,731, around that area is where you want to load the boat because it's not going to drop below there. And if it does, I even have a contingency plan just in case. 16,682 would be the level. All right. I don't think it drops below 31,731 though. I think that's the level where it drops and goes stupid to around 100,000 or more by 2025, within 2025. Okay. So if you're not paying attention, I'm seeing I'm not going to draw it. I'm seeing a left shoulder and a head. And we're making the right shoulder right now for this huge inverted head and shoulders on Bitcoin. Nobody else is looking at this. Nobody. Okay. So huge inverted head and shoulders on Bitcoin, and it's clear as day. And my target is 46,811 for the drop target. Okay. So that's why I think on this next bullish, bullish scenario, I think we possibly can, tag that trend line one more time. If we get above the level that I mentioned to you, possibly tag that trend line at 75,000, but that's where we'll possibly get rejected at to come back down. And we know where we're going to drop to. We know exactly where we're going to drop to and where we're going to load our crypto. Okay. So that's where you want to load your Bitcoin, all your altcoins and whatever it is, because that's where we're possibly going to reverse and go bullish. If we don't, you have the target below here. All right. Happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.